in our area are probably saying enough already, as they've already received several inches over the last few days.
Meteorologist Chris Reece joins us now to talk about some of the areas that have seen the most rain and what's behind these slow-moving systems. Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, some folks have seen a lot of rain. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys just the rainfall map over the past 48 hours. I wish I could include the whole weekend. The system doesn't go back that far. Just north of Wisconsin, or just north of Madison in parts of Columbia County, radar estimates of up to 6 inches of rain. You come down to the south a little bit over the past 48 hours, around 2 inches of rain here in Madison. You go back down towards Rockford, Illinois, and Belvedere. They've received a little bit over 3 inches of rain. Now we're going to zoom things out just a little bit. Let's go up towards the North Woods. You have one radar estimate, especially as you get up towards Superior, of more than 10 inches of rain over the past 48 hours. A lot of folks have seen a lot of water in a short amount of time. But here's what I want to show you. Check out the United States as a whole. You have some rains across the south along the Gulf Coast, more rains across the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes. Remember the Ring of Fire I talked about a couple weeks ago and how that worked? You had these big domes of high pressure and the storms that formed around those. Well, this is actually a very similar setup, except the Ring of Fire is now on the eastern side of the country. So this hot dome of high pressure has been in place. Tropical moisture along the Gulf Coast. We've had a southwesterly wind that has been streaming in that Gulf moisture for a very, very long time the past couple of days. It's really souped up the atmosphere. That's added to the humidity, that's also added to the heat. The thing is, we've also had this stationary front, and regions of low pressure have developed along that, and that has led to additional rising air, which has also led to the showers and thunderstorms that have been across the North Woods for the past several days. The thing is, the jet stream has not been there to propel these things along, so these thunderstorms have gone up, and they've really just sat there. They've had to rain themselves out, and they've had an incredible amount of moisture to work with. So that's what's led to the showers and thunderstorms that you saw in Madison on Friday night that led to the flooding, and the same showers and thunderstorms you saw just north of Madison on Saturday, and the showers and thunderstorms across the North Woods. In fact, for the month of June, officially now, we are above average for the rainfall, and it is still raining out there. So we'll continue to add to the rainfall that we've experienced over the past 2 days. But usually we see about 4.5 inches of rain in the month of June. We've received just over 4.5 inches of rain so far. There's still a third of the month to go. So guys, a lot of rain coming up in the next couple of days, as this pattern still does not look to change anytime soon with the additional rain chances. Yes, it'll be cooler, but likely still many chances for rain in the coming days.
And we will certainly keep an eye on the radar for all of it. Thank you so much, Chris. So this heavy rain is maybe most problematic in the northern part of the state, where Governor Walker has issued